Good morning, children. In previous lecture, we have learned about articles. We'll just do a quick recap about articles. What are articles? Articles are words that combine with a noun to indicate the degree of definiteness being made by the noun. Now, in English, the articles are a, an, and the. Now, yesterday like in the previous lecture, we have learned about a and an. So, let's do a quick recap of a and an. Now, a and an is always used with the singular noun. Okay, we cannot use a and an with plural noun. We always use a and an with the singular noun. Now, sometimes an adjective is also written before a noun. For example, if I say beautiful girl. Okay, over here, you have to see the first alphabet of the adjective. If the first alphabet of the adjective is a consonant, I have told you in the previous lecture that if a word begins with a consonant like B, C, D, F, G, H, J, K, L, M, N, P, Q, R, S, T, V, W, X, Y or Z, then you are going to write the article A. Okay. If the word begins with A, E, I, O, U, these are known as vowels. So, if the word begins with a vowel, then you are going to use the article an. But whether it is a or an, you are going to always use with a singular noun. You cannot use a and an with the plural form. So, always remember, if it is a consonant, then you are going to write a. And if it's the sound of the vowel comes when you read a particular word, then you are going to add an before the word. That is noun. Now, these two are termed as, with a and an, both are termed as indefinite articles. Why it is termed as indefinite articles? Because you are not, it is like you don't know the thing for the very first time. You are mentioning it for the very first time. You use a and an before nouns that introduce something or someone you have not mentioned before. For example, I saw an elephant this morning. So over here, you have not seen the elephant before. So you are just mentioning it for the very first time. So I have used the article an. Why? Because the word elephant starts with E and the sound of air comes. Elephant. So over here, I don't know. I was not knowing about this elephant before, but I have seen this elephant this morning. So that's why I have used the article an. Take another example. There is a sharp knife in this drawer. So over here, see. When I am saying sharp, okay, sharp knife. How is a knife? Sharp. So this is an adjective. Now see the first alphabet of adjective. It starts with the consonant S. That's why I have used the article A. I have told you previously also, if it begins with, sometimes we use an adjective before a noun. So you have to see the first alphabet of the adjective. So here the noun is knife. How is the knife? Sharp. So sharp is an adjective. It's telling more about the knife. So over here the word sharp starts with S alphabet. And S is a consonant. That's why I'm using the article A. I hope this is clear. A and an both are indefinite articles. They are what? They are indefinite articles. Now, let's take the next article. That is the. Now the is used. It can be used before the plural noun also. Okay. And when to use the? The is termed as definite articles. Because when you are talking about some particular thing, that time you use the article the. And when you use the article the, you know about what specific thing you are talking about. For example, the apple you ate was sa. Now why the apple? Because I know which apple I am talking about. I know which apple he or she is talking about. The apple which I have eaten or the apple which they ate was sa. So I know which apple they are talking about. That's why I have used the article the, because I know specifically which apple we are talking about. So when we know about the thing, okay, that time we use the word